channel messages for the 21st of November. Taurus, go ahead and go into your reading. We're going to start off with the pink tarot deck. Yes, because we want, listen. I came into this building and I said, listen, I'm here to make history. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to make history. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Taurus, the Empress, the Hierophant. First card out, we have the Magician. So I'm getting magic. This could be good magic. I'm also getting you have an Aries on your side. I'm getting you have a secret magician who is doing magic on your behalf. We also have the Ten of Swords. Alright, so this could be either destructive magic. I'm getting somebody's trying to break you. Let me break you. Break your confidence. I'm getting somebody's going to come out with, they're going to come back. Guns blazing. Guns blazing. Really, bitch? Really? That's guns blazing? You said you thought that was going to scare me? What the fuck? Somebody go and dig up everything. I'm getting somebody to come back for try for bury you. Ten of Swords. So this could be someone is manipulating things. Manipulating audio, manipulating video. Maybe somebody's going to edit your schematic. We don't know. I'm getting somebody's digging up your secrets. I'm getting just be prepared to be attacked with secrets or things that happen from your past. Because I'm getting someone's like, oh, bitch, you gotta stop now. So, something needs to end now. It's not the Ace of Swords where you get information and you decide if it's true or not. It's the Ten of Swords. You need to don't know. So I'm getting something needs to hit you. Hit you so hard you start to wear a COVID-19 mask because you don't want anybody to see your face because you're so humiliated. When you say you was humiliated, how humiliated were you, Anthony Miller? Me humiliated bad. Bad Anthony Miller. We have the Ace of, we have the Ace of Pentacles. So I'm getting it didn't stop. So maybe somebody that was trying to scare you, tell a lie on you. Maybe somebody threatened your life so you wouldn't come outside. I'm getting somebody said something to you, manipulation. I'm getting like you were supposed to be so destroyed by it. You're in bed crying. You're crying in the shower. But I'm getting Ace of Pentacles. You showed up. You're getting something finally. I'm getting something that was due to you, or I'm getting you're getting your first payment of this. I'm getting someone saying, I'll pay you to say that shit again. Say that shit to my boss. Yeah, the devil, yeah. Someone's like, yo, you seem like you can really bring somebody to hell. Can I pay you to do it? I'll pay you to do it. I'll pay you. Or I'm getting there's somebody around you who is paying other people for dirt on you. They need secrets on you. They need to dig up something nasty, disgusting, dirty. But I'm getting it's hard to try to offend the devil. What can you offer the devil? He's a devil, Brody. When you going to tell the devil them ugly? Okay. Alright, let's continue the reading. I'm getting something about a Capricorn as well, Taurus. And we also have the Ten of Wands, yeah. I'm getting you're wondering what the fuck this is as hard as what could we use to make the devil scared. What could we use to make the devil scared? You can use God? Maybe you can, but the devil know God. How are you going to try to scare the devil? This is what the fuck you're up against right now, Taurus. I'm also getting something about selling your soul. I'm getting your soul is sold. Something like that. I don't know if you know this, but we're getting your soul was sold. We're getting entry into stardom. The Magician is a Five of Pentacles. Alright, so again, I'm getting some about manipulation. Your situation may have been manipulated for a very, very long time, Taurus. You might have been homeless, broke, very impoverished. Yeah, people teasing you about being broke, yeah, because they manipulate your situation so you would not have anything. And then mock you about it. It wasn't that you didn't achieve things in life and you went broke. Your money was being withheld from you and then you were teased about it. The Five of Pentacles, when we're getting somebody magic, I got backfire. We're getting somebody's going to be homeless basically. The Ten of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Wands. Yeah. I'm sorry, every time I say the Ace of Wands right now, I'm thinking of a penis. Did somebody tell a lie on you that you had sex somewhere? Maybe somebody said they had sex in a shelter. Me never fuck in shelter before. I might have fucked homeless men because I was a homeless woman at one point in my life, and I felt like if I was at the bottom, then I should have fucked on the bottom. But I am not on the bottom anymore. I am on the top. It's better to look at your face while I'm on top. Anyways, the point I was trying to make is, yeah, maybe there was an allegation about you having sex somewhere very, very open. I'm also getting somebody's going to tell everybody about how you perform in the bedroom. And if that person is going to tell the truth, tell them to please put on the song Gifted by Nikwa. Sadime. Me say call me when you want. Call me when you want. Shaddai. Me say my pussy real good, so me have a hype. And any man will get me at the money type. My love for cream pan cocky, that a my style. Never feel a cocky, check my file if you think I lie. Check my file. Where's the file? Is it in the cabinet? In the pink folder? As pink as the inside of my vagina? Right? On the rims to China, just a race with China with a shaved vagina. What the fuck is this? Me getting there's something of an allegation, Taurus, about you having a sexual escapade somewhere where there's in public, like some about public sex, having sex in public. Getting the Devil card is here though. I'm getting a Capricorn. The Ace of Pentacles is clarified by the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting management staff. Or somebody is trying to pay you. Yeah, the Hierophant. This is second reading. The Hierophant comes up. Me getting you taking your place. Me getting a name is being established. I'm getting a... Bro, I don't know what this is. Me literally... Did a man switch places with you? Because I'm getting you a switch back. And now you're switching back. Yeah, blow up. It's like somebody saying, you know how I'm going to get this person to not be successful? I'm going to make them be a man. I don't know what's happening, Taurus. What I'm getting is like you're binded to somebody. Yeah, a girl and a man, but I'm not getting you binded by love. I'm getting you binded by magic. Something like that. The Ten of Wands is clarified by the... Yeah, here's a man. It's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So I don't know if you're in a relationship with this air sign man. Only one of you can be the man. And he don't seem like he wants that job, even though he has a penis. So if you be the man and him be the woman, him can take on the woman karma, the woman energy. I don't know what this is. I'm confused as Taurus. I'm getting somebody was trying to pressure you and something went too far. Or I'm getting it's weird because I want to say there's an allegation about you having a penis. But how would these men know that you have a penis unless they were fucking girls with penises? You know what I mean? Maybe somebody thought you had a penis and when they met you, they were like, oh my god, you have a vagina? This is not what I was expecting. I saw the rumors online that you had a dick. I was hoping you had a dick, you have a vagina. Yeah. I'm sorry to disappoint you. Let's get some of these cards. I'm getting, there may have been an allegation online that you had a penis. Somebody met you, went on a date with you, got you into the bedroom, and when you did not have a penis, they never back out. They had sex with you. You was a girl. Did they ghost you after? Yeah, because they was curious that if you did have a penis. And you didn't. And it was disappointing to them. And that's okay. We are Baphomet. Half human, half animal. Yes, someone likes it half and half. Half woman, half man. We have a fire course here, the 13th. We're dealing with the 13 here. A fire because the healer, the wounded healer. I'm getting if you have been wounded, it will be healed. Don't worry. We have Satan. Yeah, the devil. We're getting whatever magic this was. I'm telling you, I don't know how you broke it. Maybe you brought, if the magic was binded by Baphomet and Satan, I'm getting is either you have a really, really powerful bloodline, or you could have broke the magic. But I'm getting you were binded to a man. That's why you couldn't get ahead. You were binded to a man. And I'll tell you this, women, like, you need to be careful as to what type of service you make a man do for you. Me will talk about certain times when I like woman being of service to me. You need to be careful, especially if these men are providing you with beauty services. Be careful. They might turn you into a man. We have flowers. And we have Aries. I just did Aries reading. Something about a big established, well-known man who is fucking a transgender man. Or I'm getting something about Aries. This is about your justice, about you being a very successful businessman, and there's one thing that happened to you in this life that even though you were a big Aries, you never know how to navigate. You did not know how to navigate when men were attracted to you. You didn't know how to navigate your car and your money and your house and your girlfriend. You did not know how to react when men were attracted to you. You did not know how to address it. You were this big Aries emperor walking around, and secretly you were terrified because men wanted you, like Terry Crews. Everybody argued with Terry Crews. Terry Crews said that our casting director did grab him by the grind. And him say he must freak the fuck out. Him never know how to react. Him was this big, making my way downtown. Him always play the big, not your black man in the films. In real life, he was grabbed by the penis of a white director. And him say even though him big, and everybody said, Terry Crews, you needed to fuck up that man. He did not know how to react. His muscles could not help him. His height did not help him. So I'm getting Aries. I feel like in a way, this is your justice. Maybe you couldn't call out being a victim of transgender men or men who were predators. Even if you were an older man. You might have needed a girl to say that shit. And she did. I hope you gave her her flowers. One more. And we have religion. Yeah. Because at the end of the day, you can't say you're about that life. You can't say you're about God if you're not uphold what the blood clot sacred book says. So don't you fucking come to me and tell me about your blood clot church when you're making an abomination run it. I don't give a fuck about freedom of speech. I am here to uphold the Vatican laws. I don't give a fuck about your feelings and if you can reproduce or have a period or not. I don't give a fuck if you're trying to change your English language. The religious context will always stay the same, whether you like it or not. And chances are you won't like it, just like how you did not like the gender you were born as. And even though you can change your gender, you will not change what the religious context stated. I'm going to leave it here. Taurus, until next time, bye.